Looking for a conditioner that restores life to dry, damaged hair without breaking the bank? Amazon Basics Moisture-Rich Conditioner promises just that, a rich, nourishing formula designed to bring back softness and vibrancy without weighing your hair down. If you've struggled with heavy or greasy conditioners in the past, this might be the refreshing change you need. What sets this conditioner apart is its clean ingredient profile. Made with vitamin E, it supports hair health while steering clear of formaldehyde donors, parabens, phthalate, and DMDM hydantoin. Plus, it's never tested on animals and proudly made in the U.S.A. with both domestic and imported components. For anyone conscious about what goes into their hair products, this offers peace of mind alongside effective care. Users with various hair types, including low porosity hair, have praised how well it works without leaving residue or weighing hair down. It's gentle yet effective, helping to restore shine and softness after just a few uses. And if you're a fan of Tresemme Rich Moisture Conditioner, Amazon Basics Moisture Rich Conditioner offers a comparable experience at a fraction of the price. What you get is straightforward. A 28 fluid ounce bottle of conditioner that smells pleasant and performs consistently. It's ideal for daily use or whenever your hair needs a moisture boost. The formula helps smooth strands and tame dryness, making hair easier to manage and style. It's a simple, no-fuss solution for anyone seeking healthier hair without the extra cost. If you're ready to give your hair a fresh start, Amazon Basics Moisture Rich Conditioner is worth a look. You can reorder easily by asking Alexa, making it convenient to keep your hair care routine on track. Plus, with their satisfaction guarantee, you have a full year to decide if it's right for you. No risk involved. Try it when you're ready and see how this affordable conditioner can change your hair game. Whether you want to revive dull locks or simply keep your hair soft and manageable, this product offers clear benefits without the heavy price tag. If that's you, Amazon Basics Moisture Rich Conditioner might just be the upgrade your hair routine needs.